student, here it is Roshni and welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Light. So students, let's begin with the part second on the behalf of our third chapter, sentence analysis. In the first part I have already told you the sentence exact definition and also the main part of the subjects. So let's begin some more examples and more practicals of this chapter. सो यार स्टूडेंट मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि प्रीति यहाँ पे सॉरी मेरी मिस्टेक है. प्रीति जो है यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट है. सब्जेक्ट मस्ट बी वन वर्ड और ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स और लाइक ए फ्रेज. इट विल बी हैव अ सब्जेक्ट एंड इट इज़ द मेन पार्ट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. एंड इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज in the sentence, so whatever the rest of the things are available in the sentence, that is a predicate. Okay, हमने already पढ़ा है, we have already discussed. Subject is a group of words or maybe a word or a phrase. Okay, so like यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे the subject may be consist of one word, many words. In the first sentence the subject has one word. In the first sentence we have seen one word, in second also one word, in third two words are there and lots of words are there in fourth. So these words are composed of words. These subjects are composed of words but still they are subjects, है ना. तो फिर चलते आगे बढ़ते हैं. So here हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे like subject many consist of one words, many words. In the first subject sentence the subject has one word, Preeti. Preeti is a word but still it is a subject. Then 4, however the subject has 5 words. Here 5 words are there but still it is a subject. So circle the subject in the, let us begin with the exercise. Basically मैं आपको बताऊँ student, these exercise is for only understanding and also for experience. So let's begin. First, the chirping of a birds woke up me. Here what will be the subject? The chirping of birds. Here is a group of words but it still is a subject. And what will be the predicate here? Woke up me. What will be the predicate here? Woke up me. Second, all peoples have equal rights. All peoples have equal rights. In this, all people is a subject while rest of the things are predicate. So don't be confused. If you have any doubt, please comment me in your comment section. Okay. So come here. The subject word and its attributes. What will be the subject word and attributes? So let's begin. When the subject of a sentence has more than one word. When the subject has more than one word, all these words together make a complete subject, but still that words are completely called subject. Okay. In this set of words, the more important word is called the subject word, simple subject. So यहाँ इतना ही है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है. यूजुअली हमारा जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है वो चाहे ग्रुप हो चाहे फ्रेज हो उससे मतलब नहीं है, बट हमारा सब्जेक्ट अगर है, ठीक है, अगर उतने में हमारा बताता है कोई मेन वर्ब है तो सिंपली वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट होगा या फिर सिंपल सब्जेक्ट होगा. लाइक यहाँ आ जाते हैं. द 5 ब्रदर्स. हियर द 5 ब्रदर्स लिव टुगेदर इन अ जंगल. द येलो बॉक्स विल बी ऑलवेज सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ द मेन पॉइंट ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. Live together in a jungle, these are the predicates. Walking is good for health. Walking is here a subject, still it is a verb but it is a act like a subject here, not as a verb. To laugh loudly, here is an infinitive because it is started begin with to is an infinitive. If we are adding with any subject or any word or any noun or any pronoun, it will become an infinitive. To is a infinitive here, so this is the infinitive. To laugh loudly is often root in the first stanza. So let's begin with third page. So here हम देखे हैं इसके पहले जो बताया चीज़ें वही आपको इसमें बताया जाएगा कि हाँ इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें कही हैं. चलो पढ़ लेते हैं एक बार. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस द वर्ड वॉकिंग इज अ सब्जेक्ट वर्ड. हियर वॉकिंग इज अ सब्जेक्ट, एक्ट लाइक अ सब्जेक्ट बट स्टिल इट इज़ अ verb. I have already told you, है ना. So we know that the word walking is a verb. See, walking is a verb but generally it is act like a subject but still it is a gerund also. I will explain it later in your next chapter. It is there. In third sentence that infinity means to. Laugh does not work as an noun and the subject verb. So यहाँ पे देखिए laugh जो है हमारा यूजुअली हमारा noun and the subject word का काम कर रहा है. We she the subject word is always noun or a group of words. हमने क्या देखा है इससे? What we are concluded? Only the things which are noun and generally are nouns are generally is a subject. यही हमने conclude किया. So here the subject word attribute. Again the subject word attribute. In sentence, the subject word is often qualified by an adjective word that do the work of an adjective. Here, the sentence attribute. What are the attributes? Attributes are usually adjective and act also like an adjective. So these are the attributes. What are attributes? Attributes are generally a adjective and also it is act like an adjective, so that are called attributes. So mention and write this in your notes. Okay, the attributes may be an adjective or a participle of or a participle adjective. Attributes must be a participle or a participle adjective, and infinity a pronoun, an article or a phrase. सो एट्रीब्यूट्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? एडजेक्टिव हो सकते हैं, पार्टिसिपल एडजेक्टिव हो सकते हैं, इन्फिनिटिव भी हो सकता है, इन्फिनिटिव हो सकता है, प्रोनाउन हो सकता है, आर्टिकल हो सकता है एंड फ्रेज हो सकता है. यहाँ पे वर्ड्स देखते हैं. लुक एट दीज. द मैन स्टूड एट द डोर. द मैन. हियर आर एट्रीब्यूट्स. महात्मा गांधी. इट इज ऑल्सो एट्रीब्यूट्स. स्टिल इज ए प्रॉपर नाउन. ए रोलिंग स्टोन. इट इज ऑल्सो a attributes. So these are the things which are in cursive that are attributes. So let us analyze the subject in each of the sentence above. So subject in this box, all the subjects are there, subject words are there and attributes are there. Like how we can see the man. The is definite articles because it is a possessive. It is a showing the exact location or exact point. So the is a definite. Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, it is the main word which is very famous and all. The rolling stone. A stone, infinite articles means we don't have the definite how much stones are rolling. So these are the attributes. Okay, so these I have completed 7 minutes and above. So in this video only I have discussed about this important facts. So in third part I will discuss the later part and also the later page. तब तक के लिए आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़िएगा and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.